got more developments coming in now. The moment of that horrific accident was caught on camera, and what you're seeing on your screens are the first images that have been accessed by Times Now of that very moment when that speeding Porsche being driven by the minor who's an accused in this case right now, along with his friends in the car, had hit those two people who were on a two-wheeler. That particular crash has been caught on the cameras. The minor is said to be under the influence of alcohol. Ankit, my colleague, joins us. Ankit, take us through this footage.
Let's take a look. So we are playing it at roughly the midway point of the clip. You can see, Priya, I'm just going to go back just a little bit. So here's the scene. It is a road which is just about 1.5 lanes on each side with presumably some kind of flyover on top of it. And so there is a divider. Now just watch that. The speed at which this vehicle, it was almost too fast to spot. It's a catch me if you can kind of situation. Just look, these people are crossing the street and there goes the Porsche. That's how fast it went. I'm going to show it once again and then let's see what else happens after that. So again, people are crossing the road and there the Porsche goes, and here it has had an accident, and immediately you can see all these people here reacting to it, and so they march across the road to the other side, and then we know what happens next. But I'm just going to repeat it one more time. Just take a look at the scene here. It is a crowded street. It doesn't look like a very good road in the first place, and all of these people could perhaps have been victims to this. There it goes at, I'm sure, a speed that is higher than what the prescribed limit is, and then immediately all these people around, Priya, they know something has happened, and they immediately cross the road to go over to the other side to see for themselves what exactly transpired, because it all probably happened in the blink of an eye, really, really fast. And so once again, here is this video, and just see how fast the Porsche goes past. And about here is where it has had that accident, and that is why all of these people, in many ways, we should consider everyone to be quite lucky that they were not on the road, because really anything could have happened there. That having been said, what has happened is a complete tragedy and something that should have been avoided.
Heinous crime. Now, if it is a heinous crime, then there is a provision for him to be tried as an adult. So this is our plea on which we have moved the session court to get that permission, after which the legal procedure for taking his custody, etc., shall proceed.
All right, Mr. Kumar, what happens when the accused, who is a minor, is prosecuted against as an adult?
So the provision of section 15 Juvenile Justice Act, basically amended after the Nirbhaya case, allows a juvenile above 16 years of age to be tried as an adult if he has committed a heinous crime. Heinous crime in the Juvenile Justice Act section 2 is defined as anything which has punishment of more than 7 years. Here we have applied 304 IPC, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which has punishment of more than 7 years. Hence, it is a heinous offence under the definition of section 2 of the Juvenile Justice Act.
Okay, sir, just explain to our viewers once again. You say that culpable homicide provisions had already been applied and they are applicable for a crime as heinous as this. Then why would you think the court was so amenable to giving bail to this boy within 15 hours of the incident happening?
I shall not be competent to give a comment on the court verdict.
Were there any observations that were made by the court, sir, while granting him bail?
The court had only on our application, which was moved for saying that it is a heinous crime and permission be granted to try him as an adult. The court did not pass any speaking order. It only said,
All right.
seen.
All right, we'll